much fun out there as we are over here doing it for you. You know, at this time, we'd like to recognize that at this season of the year, Christmas season, is when we all get together. It's when families gather together and remember why we stay apart for the rest of the year. I can't be the only one. We all have those family members. Yes, every family has colorful people in it. Some of them have many colorful people. My family, for instance, many colorful people. Now, you may think that you have no colorful members in your family. If you do, you're the one. Now, I have many I can tell you about, but I think I'll just tell you about my favorite, Great Aunt Hattie. Great Aunt Hattie is wonderful because she signifies what families do for us. They tell us who we are, whether we want to hear it or not. And Great Aunt Hattie always tells me who I am and will remind me of any embarrassing thing I ever did in front of any family member. Also, she'll fill me in on her medical history because that's what they do in great detail. And then we'll play an hour of her favorite game. Guess who died? Always somebody has to guess. But I have to guess. I haven't met this person. I don't think I'm going to meet them now. But I've got to guess. But that's what families are about at Christmas. We have to remember that we love them for their faults and all. And they love us the same way. That's what the season is all about in terms of our family. If you're hosting a whole house full of people this holiday season, well, pay special attention to this next word that I started